Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing today? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make these simple shortbread cookies. This is very easy to put together and is so yummy. And if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon and also like the video. So guys, let's get started. So I will be making use of margarine. You can also make use of butter if that's what you have. So I will go in with my sugar and I will add in some vanilla extract for extra flavor. Okay, so I'm going to mash this until everything is well combined. So at this point, I'm going to add in my flour. Then I'll mix everything together. So at this point, my spatula is not doing the work well, so I'm just going to take it out, then use my hand to mold it until it forms to a perfect dough. So this is the perfect dough that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to wrap this with my nylon and I will refrigerate this for 25 to 30 minutes. So while that is in the refrigerator, I'm just going to arrange my baking pan just the way you are seeing in this video. So this was about 30 minutes. Then I take the dough out of the refrigerator. So we are going to start rolling. So the next thing I did was to bring out some baking paper, then spread it on the surface. Then I put in my dough. Then I brought out my pin and start to roll. So I will just roll as much as I can, not too flat, not too thick. So I'm going to be using knife to cut at the edge. You can use any cutter of your choice, but this is what I can lay my hands on. So I'm just going to use my knife to cut at the edge and I will start to cut in my cookies to the size that I prefer. You can make your cookies round. You can make your cookies just the way I'm doing it. So whichever way is fine, okay? So after cutting it, I'm going to transfer it to my baking pan. So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done with the dough. So at this point I'm done. So the last one, I just roll it and press it just the way you're seeing. Then that's it, guys. I'll also transfer this into the baking pan. So after I'm done with the cookies, I'm going to peck them with my fork. You can use toothpick to do this. You can use fork to do it as well. Okay. So at this point my oven is already preheated, so I'm going to be baking this for 25 minutes. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy these are shortbread cookies is looking. And this was so yummy, and my son loves it too. Thank you so much, guys. If you watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and share. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.